Good morning everybody. I am just walking to like a clothes store to get final alterations to my bridesmaid dress, and I've got a friggin', you know, those suck me in knickers. I've got some of those on and I can hardly breathe. Dress fitting went good. I just am thanking the inventor of suck me in knickers because they do wonders. So at the moment Jay and I are gonna go get a coffee and have a chat, and people are staring at me, which I'm getting used to. We're just about to go through a car wash. I actually get a little bit tiny claustrophobic in car washes.
Pay for it up there, don't you?
Are you excited?
Yes. Clean car.
Clean car. Ooh, you have to keep going. This isn't good when it's 40 degrees outside with no aircon in the car.
Already hot. Jeez, it's hot.
It is hot. Whose idea was this? Ooh. 37 degrees. Oh! 37 degrees. It's probably like 47 in the car with no aircon. God, we couldn't survive in here much longer, I don't think. Look at the colours. So pretty. Going to do my scratchy. Sorry, the washing machine's on. So I am actually really hoping for another Christmas tree, because that's like the jackpot. So fingers crossed. Stocking. Do I have more stockings? No. Still nothing, with 1, 2, 3 more days to go. Well, I haven't really done much this afternoon. I've just been doing like housework. So the house is nice and clean now, and at the moment I'm just about to go into the shopping centre to get some ingredients for all the cakes and puddings that I'm making for Christmas Day. So I've decided I'm going to make trifle brownies and then healthy gingerbread men. So I just need to get a few like little ingredients that I don't have in the house to make everything. And it's nearly 7 o'clock at night, so I'm hoping the shops aren't too busy. Most of the shops would have closed, but like all the big main shops will be open still. So yeah, I don't like crowds. I don't do good with crowds. Okay, just in Priceline because I want to buy a new mascara. I'm thinking of this one by Rimmel, Super Volume and Curler 24-hour mascara. Has anyone tried this one before? I never know what mascara to get. There's always too many. Leave a comment and let me know what mascara you guys use. Yay, all done with the shopping. I managed to get everything apart from custard. They sold out of custard, so I'm compromising and using like a vanilla pudding mix thing, so hopefully that works just as good. I've got the air conditioning on full ball. It's so hot and muggy. It was 38 degrees. I think I mentioned that to you guys earlier. But yeah, it's just so muggy still. It's horrible. So I asked Jay, I called him while I was shopping and asked him to start making hamburgers like with chicken mince. So I I don't know if it's even started or not. Hopefully he has. So that's what we're having for dinner, chicken burgers. And I bought Jay a roll to have, and I think I'll probably just have mine without the roll and with salad. I'm just so hot though. Jay did make the burgers. I actually had a nice little surprise when I was at the checkout. So my at Woolworths we have this like everyday rewards card where you get points, and the shopping bill came to $46.60, and my members rewards, I must have had 3 member rewards things or something. I'm not too sure how it all works because it's all changed recently, but anyway, I ended up getting $30 off my shopping, so I only had to pay $16. How cool is that? It's like the bargain shop of the year.
Just let me know, okay?
I am going to end the vlog here tonight. I hope you've enjoyed it once again. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you all again tomorrow. Bye! I'll show you what presents she got me for Christmas. This is so funny. She got me a colouring in book. Not exactly the same one that I got her, but